How to share Wi-Fi from mobile to mobile. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow if we want to share our mobile from a device or the Wi-Fi from our mobile. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So one of the methods that we can use is using mobile hotspot, which is wireless internet connection as well. And this is the fastest method to share your internet connectivity. So on the sharing phone, go to settings, and within there look out for the option called connections. And from connections we should be finding different options. We can click on the option called mobile hotspot and tethering. After we click on it, all we gotta do is basically tap on mobile hotspot and turn it on. And once we have turned it on, we can set up a network name, SSID and password, and we can toggle it on. After that, on the receiving phone, you can select up the hotspot name and enter the password, and when you do, the Wi-Fi will be shared. Apart from that, we can use Wi-Fi password via QR code as well. So go ahead and look out for the Wi-Fi option, hold it up and open it up and go to the settings. After we go to the settings, all we gotta do is look out for the QR code and tap on it, and we can share it. We can just go over on the receiving phone's camera. We can scan this QR code right here and then connect, and that way we should be able to connect easily to our Wi-Fi network. And that's it. When doing so, keep your phone plugged in as hotspotting consume very high battery, and you can also set up a limit to avoid excessive mobile data usage if you're using mobile data. But this is how we share Wi-Fi from mobile to mobile. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.